All right, so this video is a continuation of the last one. Okay, it's a continuation of finding factories or manufacturers on 1688 easily. Okay, so this is the continuation, the part two. So my name is Blessing, and I'm talking to you from the city of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So this very channel will be talking about importation in depth, how to start and how to succeed, and we're also going to be talking about money making. We're also going to be talking about personal development, all right? But we want to be doing all of that on this very channel. So you want to stick with me on this channel as we'll be learning a whole lot from one another. Now let's dive in. Now you can see the operating performance, okay? The operating performance. What is the service response rate? What is it like? And the service response rate here is 95%, which is fantastic. It's very good. This service response rate means the way they attend to you, the way they talk to you when you maybe chat them up, do they respond? Like something when you chat them up, they'll take for days. They might not even attend to you. Even so, when they come, they will not give you what you really want. So for these ones to have 95%, they must be very good in talking to people, answering people's questions. One time performance rate 99%, which is also very good. Now this other one, let's see what it means. Let's see what it means. This very one here. Return rate. Wow, beautiful. It means return rate. So their return rates, for some persons, it will translate it as repurchase rate. Either return rate or repurchase rate, whichever, it is the same thing. And it means that when some persons buy from this particular factory, they come back again to buy. So when they come back to buy again, the system will record it. Okay, record it and will place it on that factory so that it will help the factory when people like new persons come to buy, they will have something to hold on to. Okay, this person has a lot of persons are coming back to buy from this person. That means this person is producing something very nice. It will help you to make decisions whether you want to buy or not. So this 66% is above average. It's in fact it's very, very good. So people come back here regularly to buy from this factory. Now you don't go back to buy something that you did not enjoy or you don't like. You don't go back to eat it again. You only go back to get something that you obviously enjoyed. So it shows that this factory is super packed. It is super good. Okay. So that return rate is very, very okay. Now we have the main qualification. We have one main qualification. Now the next one is buyer evaluation. For normal suppliers and normal suppliers, you will be seeing reviews, customers review, but here it's called buyer evaluation. So we want to see the buyer's evaluation. What are they saying about this product? Okay, let's see if we can open it. All the buyer's evaluation. Good, that's opened. Now you can see buyers evaluation. Look at what they are saying. Would like to recommend this supplier on 688 for their consistent product quality and reliable service. The dresses received match the photos and descriptions with good fabric and neat stitching. Wow. Communication is prompt and professional, and the seller responds quickly to questions about sizing and customizations. Others are processed on time, and packaging is secure. Pricing is competitive compared to similar suppliers. Overall, this supplier is trustworthy and suitable for long-term business. Come on, when somebody gives you this kind of review, you are made for life. Because for me, looking at this and just one or two things, I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm good to go. Looking at this review and see that some other persons have the same review, I'll go ahead and buy. So that is the essence of having this customer evaluation or buyer's evaluation. You can see some of them are even posting the picture. Now what is the date for this particular? What is the date? can see the date there, 2026. Look at the dates where it is. 2026 February 2028. Are you seeing it? It's this year, early this year. You can see that. So that's this review was given just this last February. So you cannot say it's been long they gave the review. Things may have changed just this February, right? So you can see, you know, look up, you see other people's review. You receive my order exactly as pictures. Do order from this store. Can you see that review? This one also say received my order exactly as picture. Can you see that? Can you see? So from this review, you can see that this factory is a super factory. It's a factory that you should buy from. All right, so let's continue. This is factory exhibition hall. Okay, this is their factory exhibition hall, the production and processing. This is their company. Is an African women clothing. The production and processing of large size women production and processing has been complete. Okay, so that is it. Factory production line. Processing equipment. This is their processing equipment. This is their production workshop. You can see all of that. You can see all of that. So now the next thing we want to do, this that's the factory manager. If you want to talk to the factory manager, maybe you want to do customization or anything, you can reach them. You can, that's the factory manager. You can see it, factory manager. You click on it, you will talk to the person. If you want to see their phone number, you just click on this call, click on call of this now go. That is the phone number. Can you see? This is the phone number of this factory. So if you click on this, you can just call them straight, or you can just call them straight, or you save it on your phone for future use. Can you see that? Let's go back. This is how you get to know a good factory. Okay, that's how you get to know a good factory. So you can talk to the manager, or if the factory manager, you can just put a call through, or you can even chat them up, anyone. So once you have done all of these checks, you are good to go. And if you also want to follow them, just like we follow ourselves on Facebook, Instagram, you want to follow them, you just go straight to this. Okay, before that, now look at this. This sign here signifies that this factory is a very strong factory. It's a very strong factory, and they have certificates. They have certificates. They've acquired some certificates on this very factory. Okay, now this is where you want to go and follow if you want to follow this factory, so that you'll be seeing updates, you'll be getting updates. Look at this. You see that sign? If you click on it, there's a small plus sign inside that love sign there. If you click on that, you will now automatically, it will show red, which shows that you have become a follower. You are now a follower of this particular factory. So you can be updated, you'll be seeing updates of what they are doing. When they produce new products, you may be among those that will see it first and launch on it. So that's basically it. That's basically it. So, so there you have it. See you in my next video.